Vivacious nights full of life and laughter are what we live for. But the night's not over until you give your skin the love it needs. A proper night care routine is what keeps skin looking healthy and fresh every day and also helps you age gracefully. Here are 5 tips that will delay the signs of aging and leave your skin feeling protected and refreshed. Not removing your makeup before bed is the single biggest skincare sin you can commit. Leftover product can cause a world of damage, clogging pores, causing wrinkles, blackheads, and undoing all the good you do for your skin. Use a gentle makeup remover or a good natural one like coconut oil. Make sure all the traces of makeup are gone. Once your skin is free of residue, you're ready to reap the benefits of a proper night care routine. A good night care routine calls for a great moisturizer that performs multiple functions, and the Pond's Age Miracle Night Cream is a great choice. It contains retinol palmitate, a form of retinol that fights aging by activating and speeding up the skin cell regeneration process, which prevents your skin from getting thinner as you age. It also boosts collagen production, something that slows down with age, and keeps skin looking plump. Dot on the cream evenly across your face, and with a gentle tapping motion, allow the product to absorb. Never rub the cream in vigorously, since this can accelerate signs of aging. Its host of benefits include brightening skin tone, reducing pigmentation, correcting sun damage, unclogging pores, and preventing pimples, keeping your face looking dewy and fresh over time. An invigorating massage will help your cream absorb properly, loosen facial muscles, and enhance its effectiveness. Start by massaging your temples in circular motions to relax your mind. Then massage your forehead, stretching the skin in opposite directions. For your cheeks and neck, massage in upwards and outward motions. These techniques tone your face, making it look slimmer. They also stimulate the blood vessels, giving your skin a natural glow. If you're just starting out with retinol, the Pond's Age Miracle Night Cream is perfect for regular use with its gentle but potent formulation. The skin around your eyes is the thinnest and requires some serious TLC to prevent it from becoming sunken or baggy against your will. After cleansing and moisturizing your face, go in with a good eye cream like the Pond's Age Miracle Eye Cream. Take some onto your finger and dab in small dots along the orbital bone. Don't go too close to the lower lash line, since this might push the product into your eyes. Keep dabbing lightly until the thin formulation sinks in and instantly hydrates your skin. This cream contains retinol, an ingredient that rejuvenates your eyes, preventing dark circles and wrinkles that tend to appear over time. One of the major causes of premature aging are stress and poor quality of sleep. Our skin reacts to what's on our minds as much as it does to what's in our diets. So make relaxation part of your night routine. Drinking a warm beverage before sleeping and taking a moment to declutter your mind will do you wonders in the long run, and certainly be better than falling asleep in front of the TV. You can drink plain water if you like, or make an infusion with healthy ingredients like honey and ginger. Chamomile tea is also an excellent choice that promotes good sleep, clears your skin, and even aids in weight management. Aging is inevitable, but with the right habits like using good night and eye creams, you can make a world of difference to how gracefully you age. Hope these tips make your skin blossom through the years to come. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.